Good morning, friends, and happy Friday. Today my in-laws are showing up. I'm not exactly sure what time. I'm guessing somewhere around the 2 o'clock time. They are about 5.5 hours away up in Kentucky somewhere. That's where they stayed. They kind of like make their way up and then down. They try to avoid Nashville and coming through Atlanta. So they're kind of come down from the north, which is like North Carolina, South Carolina area. Anyway, but that's what they're doing. So I expect them around 2. So I am up though. It is about 10 after 8 and I am up and ready for my day. I have not made up my bed yet because I'm headed over to Hobby Lobby really quick. Oh, it's only 8 o'clock. Wait, what? What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. What? Yeah, it's after 9. It's 5 after. I'm like, I knew it wasn't 8 o'clock. Anywho, so I am heading over to Hobby Lobby really quick because I want to try to find some fillers for this thing behind me. Instead of putting up my little like tiered thing, I decided to kind of do this on my island instead. So I thought maybe I would fill these with like baby's breath or something, and then put like lamb's ear inside of here, and that's part of it. I'm not really sure yet, but I'm gonna head to Hobby Lobby and I'm gonna see like what I can find that is gonna be like the first thing that I do, and then I'm gonna head back and get the rest of my stuff done around here because I do have quite a few things to do before my in-laws arrive. Just last minute touch-ups. Obviously I have to make up my bed because I haven't done that yet. But I'm gonna do some last minute like touch-ups around the house, make sure those floors are completely swept again, and then try to Swiffer everything as well. So when I get back, that's what I'll be doing. So let's go to Hobby Lobby and see. Alrighty guys, so I stopped off at Starbucks really quick so I could get a coffee that I can walk around with while I'm at Hobby Lobby. Cause I think I'm just gonna enjoy my moment in Hobby Lobby for a little bit. Even though my mother-in-law and I will probably come back through to Hobby Lobby while she's here, I still just gonna take my time. But look, I pulled my hair over to the side today, just now in the car while I was waiting. Yeah, because it was just kind of like, I didn't wash it this morning. I just jumped in the shower, and so sometimes when I like don't wash it, even though it like works better, it looks better, it just feels so heavy because I have like product in it, and I just decided to pull it up on the side today for a little while because it was kind of driving me a little crazy with all the product. So I mean, it looks cute like this. I like it like this. We shall see how long it lasts. Oh, maybe I don't like it like this. I don't know. It doesn't look, oh my gosh. I don't know. I'm gonna get my Starbucks. I need that for the morning. Alrighty guys, so I just got back from running my errands at Hobby Lobby. I actually stopped off at Quest where I used to work too and dropped off some scrubs that I didn't need anymore. Like they were brand new scrubs that I had ordered last March, because you get to order scrubs when you work at Quest, and I never even wore them, so I just took them back over there. And I just wanted to show you what I got really quickly at Hobby Lobby, and I forgot to take you guys in there. I thought that I put my camera inside of my purse, and I didn't. I left it on the seat of my car, so I was just like, oh crap. But anyway, so these are the things that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I picked up 12 of these small stemmed lamb's ears. I picked up the 2 small stems of the, like, I call this butterfly bush, but it might be lilac. I'm not really sure. But anyway, nonetheless, picked up 2 of those. Then I picked up 3 of the stems of the yellow flowers. And then I picked up 3 of these for those jars. These are just little white flowers, so I picked these all up, and now I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do with all of these. Aren't they pretty? I think obviously I'm gonna need more of this lamb's ear to put throughout here because this is just not enough, and it's just kind of not you know, it's not full enough for me. I like it to be a lot fuller. So I might have to pick up some more lamb's ear along the way, and just to fill this spot in a little bit more. But this is kind of what it looks like for now. I really like it. Once it comes together, it'll be really, really pretty. I think the blue little mason jars are so pretty with this little runner here because it kind of brings out the blue. But anyway, this is kind of what it looks like. I think it's very pretty. I need to fluff up the flowers a little bit more and just kind of give it more fluffing and fill it in some more in some spots. But I think that'll be good for now. I like it. What do you guys think? Isn't that so pretty? Alrighty, so kind of like what I mentioned the other day, I wanted to kind of get some of this little purple to put inside these mason jars to put on my china cabinet. So that's what I did. I just kind of have it sitting back there like that. So I kind of like that combination. It's really pretty. I don't know, is it too much? Should I eliminate it? This is what it would be like if I eliminated it. I kind of like it with it there. I mean, it just kind of gives it some more color. So I don't know, I like it. What do you guys think? I like it. And then I added the one on this side too. So this one kind of looks, it's the same. I still haven't figured out what I want to put there. I might just put some like pea gravel in there. I don't know. Give me some ideas of what I could put in the bottom of that to just kind of add some more something to this jar. So leave me a comment below, let me know, but let me know what you guys think of this little area, and what, if anything, should I put in here. Again, leave me a comment below, let me know. And then I did get yellow flowers to put inside of that galvanized like tin base thing. So I think that's really, really pretty. So I love that sitting there. That looks really, really nice. So again, this is coming together so nicely. Like I have the lamb's ear and the butterfly bush or lilac there with the little touches of it there. And then again, bringing it over here. Now it's like, I need to get like another one of those galvanized tins, which I have another galvanized tin. I just need to go get like 3 more of those flowers and put one on this side. I don't know. Is that like too much? I don't know, but I think it would look so pretty though. I don't know, I love it. I love the way it like makes it like pop on that side. Look, that is so pretty. I love it. It just brings it out so nicely. And if I put another one on this side, what do you guys think? Should I put another one on that side? Oh my gosh, leave me a comment below. Let me know if I should put another yellow flower galvanized pot like right there on that side. Because then that like whole thing would be like so complete. It would be like very, very complete. I love that. Okay, now to focus on getting my house ready for my in-laws. I have not found out like what time they're leaving or an ETA or anything like that. So I gotta get busy and get stuff done before they arrive. So all right, you guys. So I just kind of been using this little bit just to kind of go around again and just wipe up certain spots, to clean the bathroom with it, of course. And it smells really, really good. I actually use this to clean the mirrors in our bathroom. Not very good. I think it's only supposed to be for, it says glass. So I used it on the mirrors. Well, that did not work out very well at all. That smeared. It left streaks. It was not good at all. And I even let it dry for a few minutes and I went back to check. It wasn't good at all. So I ended up having to go back over it with my handy dandy glass cleaner. This stuff is the best. I swear by this stuff. I've been using it now for a couple of years and I absolutely love it. And when it says it is streakless, they absolutely mean it. So this is gonna be yes, and this is gonna be a huge no. Now, I will try it on my windows just to see if it's gonna streak on windows, but I'm guessing since it's streaked on the mirrors, it's gonna streak on the windows too. But I will give it a test on that as well and give it one more chance. But if not, I'll be cleaning my windows with this. But yeah, no, yes. Change things around over here. I took the pink flower away and put it over there. So it's just really pretty down there. It fills in that little space, which is nice. And then I just kind of added my little bit of greenery right here. And I ended up putting the candle back inside of here. Even though this gets hot, there's air and there's vents that vent the heat out, and I leave the door open, so it's not like I trap all that heat in there. So I think it should be okay. Again, I am going to continue to watch it, but I think it should be all right. But I did move all this stuff around. I put my little arrow globe back up here. So this is kind of what it looks like over here in this area, which I like. I moved my basket over a little bit, moved my chair over, moved those little plants up a little bit. So, and then I fluffed up the blanket some more. So it looks really, really nice. Just kind of move this stuff around. But yeah, I think it looks okay. It looks good. I put my arrow right there. I may not leave it there. I'm really having a struggle trying to find out where I want to put my arrows and keep them, but for now, that's where it's going to stay. And then I've just kind of been straightening up in here. As you guys can see, I've just been straightening things up and getting ready for Brian's parents to be here probably in about 2 hours. Another thing that I did, so like I need more projects to do. Let me get my sunglasses and I will show you. While I was mopping in my bedroom over here, you guys can see I have laundry still to fold up, and I moved my chair over there and the little table that I had sitting over there. I got on a little whim. So I mopped all this stuff, which I normally do, and I just pushed my chairs up. I took, obviously you can see there's a chair missing. So what could I have possibly done with that chair? Well, let's go find out what Angie did with that chair. Because like I said, like I need more projects to do. But I kind of been wanting to do this for a while, and just like, oh hey, why not? In-laws are gonna be here in 2 hours. I've been cleaning. Why not stop what I'm doing and spray paint some chairs? So that is what I did. So I brought my wicker chair out here and I spray painted it. I absolutely love it. I'm actually gonna have to go get some more paint to finish spray painting it, but I absolutely love the way that it's looking. And then I put a coat on the little table too, which I think I'm gonna change the color of that table and paint it that color that I'm gonna be putting in the kitchen on the island. So because just to add that like cool pop of like robin egg blue, it's an underseas color. It says underseas. So I think I'm gonna change that table to that color, but I'll do that like another day. I won't do it right now because I'm not gonna pull that out right now, but anyway, nonetheless. So yeah, I just decided to, like, you know, on a whim, go do that. So yay for me. And then obviously I've cleaned up the kitchen. Everything is pretty much done. I'm just really catching up on laundry, which I hate laundry. Laundry and I have been having a fight all day. And Laundry and I are not getting along right now. So I'm kind of like leaving them in their basket because they're being very ugly with me. Not happy with laundry. It always seems like I can never get caught up with laundry, and it's just me and Brian. It's like, go figure. But anyway, so I think what I'm gonna end up doing is, obviously I'm gonna spray paint this other chair, and then, you know, my little area over here. Oh, I didn't fit. Okay, so that one's over there empty. I'm just now seeing all my empties. I filled up all of my little wallflowers, went around the house and filled them all up, and I filled up that one down here behind my door. I didn't realize there was one over there, so I'm gonna have to fill that one up too. So yeah, floors are mopped, everything is dusted, everything is clean. I am so happy about that. I cleaned their bathroom, which is so nice and clean right now, which is our guest bathroom. So I'll show you guys what the guest bathroom looks like. Door. This is what the guest bathroom looks like. So I just kind of have everything really pretty and set up over here for them. I never did put any pictures inside of those frames, but eventually I will. And then over there is like the toilet area, which is nice. And then I have a nice long rug here, which I always have there. And then up here on the sign, it says beach home, I think. Yeah, beach house right there. So that's kind of what I have in this bathroom, which I absolutely love this bathroom. I love the way it turned out. It's just so pretty. All right, so I want to show you guys something that I made really quick. I made this cute little like pom-pom, what are these, tassel garlands, and I just did this just like 2 seconds ago, and I just put it up just to see how it looks, and I think it looks really, really cute in here. I don't know, I kind of like it. I like the gray. I think it's really pretty. I mean, obviously it's not like ginormous and huge or whatever. It doesn't take up a lot of space, but I think it just looks really cute on that window. What do you guys think? I like it. It's cute. I could probably make so many more of those things because they're so quick and easy to make. But I don't know. I think I like them. I think they're very cute. Okay, the other little thing that I made too is I had some beads, like leftover little beads. So I just went ahead and made another like house bead garland, and I just kind of put it inside of here. And it's not like long enough, but I'm gonna have to find some more beads, go get some more beads and make a longer one for in here. But I just thought this was so pretty just sitting here. I love the way that it looks. It is so pretty. I love it. I love doing these kind of things because it just makes everything look so cute. Love it. And I love this little display. I think it looks great. It is now about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and my in-laws, I just texted her and asked her about her ETA, and she says looking closer to 4 now. So I don't know why it takes them so freaking long to get here. I just don't get it. Anyhow, so I'm gonna actually go ahead and end the vlog here, and that way I can get this up and edited for tomorrow morning. I will see you guys tomorrow on Angie in Wonderland. Not sure what we have planned. I'm sure we'll find something to do, but I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Head over to my other channel, Adventures in Wonderland. I've got all of my Disney vlogs up. I've got